In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text in PDFescape. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, open your document, and delete the text you don't want, all within the PDFescape online editor. Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to PDFescape. On the home page, look for the login option and click it. When the sign-in page opens, choose Sign In using Google. A Google window will appear asking you to pick an account and confirm permissions. Select the account you want to use, approve the prompts, and you'll be redirected back to PDFescape, signed in and ready to go. Once you're in your account area, upload the PDF you want to edit. Click the Upload option, choose your file from your computer, and give it a moment to process. When you see your file listed in your PDFs, click it to open. This will launch the PDF inside the online editor. Inside the editor, switch to the Edit mode at the top. This tells PDFescape you want to adjust existing content rather than just add annotations. Now move your mouse over the text you want to remove. As you hover, watch for a subtle box outline to appear around a text block. That outline indicates the text is selectable. Click once to activate that text block. With the text block active, you can delete the contents. If everything in the block should go, press the Delete or Backspace key to clear it. If you only want to remove part of the text, click and drag to highlight the exact words, and then press Delete or Backspace. If the text reflows or the block collapses after deletion, that's normal. PDFescape is just updating the layout. A few quick tips to make this easier. If the outline doesn't appear when you hover, the text might be part of an image or a flattened layer, which can't be edited directly as text. In those cases, try hovering around adjacent areas to confirm whether any selectable blocks exist. Zooming in can also help you select small or tightly packed text more precisely. And if you have multiple areas to remove, repeat the same hover, click, and delete process for each text block throughout your document. That's all there is to it. You've signed in with Google, uploaded your file, opened it in the editor, switched to Edit, selected the text block, and removed the text you don't need. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your PDFs quickly and confidently using PDFescape.